Well, here we are at the end of 2021. It's 2 years since we were first made aware of coronavirus and learnt all about lockdowns, flattening the curve, eat out to help out, booster jabs, and now the variants. It feels as though we're being nudged along into another lockdown, but let's hope and pray that it won't happen. I've had enough of this virus, the chaos and misery that it's caused, and I'm sure most of you feel the same way too. The current variant, Omicron, is quite contagious, but it doesn't seem to cause severe infections, at least at the moment. We're told that the vaccines are very effective against it, but all the evidence suggests that having a booster shot is important. I've had mine. I've had a look at how the response to the pandemic has affected how many patients I've been able to help. I did over 150 operations in 2019, but it fell to 80 in 2020. We weren't able to do surgery for nearly 3 months during the first lockdown, and it had a big impact on my practice. This year, 2021, we had to stop operating for a month. Despite that, I've done 135 cases, which is actually pretty good going. Hopefully next year we'll be back up to full speed again, and even more people can be relieved of pain and get on with their lives. My surgical sessions are nearly fully booked in January, but we've still got a few slots available. I've opened up an extra session, so if you're thinking about having a hip replacement or resurfacing, please get in touch. We can get you assessed and ready for surgery in no time at all. The first quarter of the year is actually a very good time to have hip surgery. It's cold and dark, which means that you can focus all your attention on rehab and recovery. Before you know it, it will be spring and summer. You'll be free of that awful hip pain and looking forward to getting on with your life again. I know that many of you are very worried about COVID and coming into hospital. I share your concerns. Rest assured that we take it all very seriously. Everyone who comes in for a procedure is tested well in advance. Our infection control measures are very robust, and as far as I'm aware, all of the staff have been fully vaccinated. I'm really grateful to all of you, my loyal audience on YouTube. I've now got over 500 followers and 40,000 views. Your input makes it all worthwhile, and I really enjoy making these videos for you. If you'd like to know more about how hip surgery might help you or someone that you know, then please get in touch. Post a comment or send me an email. Sign up to the website or just phone the office and speak to Anne or Tracy. Their details are listed below. I wish all of you a very happy Christmas. Here's to a new year that will bring us all peace, hope, happiness and success. Thank you for watching. See you all next year.